Right, so I've started on the undercoat, on the front grille and on the bulkhead. So hopefully it ends out as good as what it was on the wings, because they were very good. The undercoat goes on very easily.
It's a bit windy out there today.
Yeah, it's a bit windy, but the gas heater was on. We just turned it on just so that you could hear me. Is that better? And then, right, now I can just start on the front. Is that better?
That's better, Ben. That's quieting down.
Thanks, Ben. So what I'm doing, I'm stacking it all on first and going all down in nice neat lines. Right, so now I'm putting it all into nice neat lines.
Got a couple of bits up here, look.
Ah, yeah, okay. I'm going to do 2 coats of undercoat, so if I miss a few bits, it don't really matter too much because it will have another coat. But I'll do it all up in there. Right, now I'll start doing a bit of underneath. So, done the front in undercoat. It's looking good. And the bulkhead. It's actually quite hard to paint, but it's turned out looking alright. Put a bit of extra paint on there, just so that it doesn't corrode as easily. So yeah, first day complete. I've now started the first coat off the reading road. Done that top there on the footwell. This bit of bulkhead down there, looking perfect. So, tune in next time where we will be doing the bonnet and the back door. And thank you very much for watching.